Whether you are a newbie or an old seller on Amazon, if you are not using the trick that I'm gonna share you, then you will be left behind by all your competitors. Do you know why? Well, because there are 3 filters of success on Amazon. And one of them, probably the most important one, is proper Amazon PPC strategy. And in this video, I am gonna break down what Amazon PPC is, how it works, and the goal of running Amazon PPC campaigns. So if you want to skyrocket your sales, don't miss out on watching till the end. Well, my first discussion point is what is Amazon PPC and how it works. PPC stands for pay per click, which means when any customers click on your ads, you have to pay. Let me explain this. Let's go to amazon.com. Let me looking for a product. For example, if I search with work boots for men, so here I can see the search results for this keyword. I can see there are over 30,000 search results for this keyword, and only the first 48 products are appearing on the first page. We all know that over 50% customers purchase their desired product from page 1, and around 20 to 30% people purchase their product from page 2. And this way, there are very few persons who ever check page 3 or 4 or then after that. So, as a seller, you can understand the importance of showing your product in front of the customers in page 1. Also, you can see the high competition here. There are over 30,000 search results for a single keyword. So, how you can appear your product for a keyword on page 1? Let's see. Here you can see all the search results in 2 different ways. One is being sponsored and another one is without sponsored, which means organically. Actually, for organically showing your product on Amazon page 1, it's so hard because it depends on your previous sales history, like last 30 days sales history. If you have a good sales history in the last 30 days, then Amazon will recommend your product on top of the page. But another one option is sponsored. If I search with sponsored on this page, here you can see around 20 products are being sponsored out of 48. That means these 20 products are appearing on page 1 with sponsored, I mean by doing PPC. Also, here I am showing an interesting thing like this one. If you see that this product has very few review ratings, like only 55. And if you check this item, you can see that this item has above 14k review ratings. Even with these lower review ratings, this item is appearing on top. So this is the power of doing PPC. Also, there are some fixed placement on each Amazon page where you can show your product if you only do PPC. Let me show you. For example, this one, the first ad on first page, you can see that it's sponsored and it's fixed. Every page you will see that there is an sponsored ads on top of the page. And in next row, you can see that out of 5 products, 4 of them are sponsored. Also on the left hand side, you can see that there is an sponsored ads. And you are seeing an video ads here, which is possible only by doing PPC. And here are also some other sponsored ads. This one on the left hand side as well. And there are as well. And also, if I go to the bottom of the each product page, you can see that there are some other sponsored ads as well. Now let me show you the most exciting part. Let's see how much revenue are generated from the page 1 for this keyword. Look at here, you can see the search volume for this keyword is around 80k. And those are appearing on the page 1 for this keyword. They have over 8 million revenue in the last 30 days. Now, if I check the second page, now you can see from the second page the total revenue is 3 million and it's even almost 5 million less than the first page. And also if I go to the third page, you will see that it's even less. So now it's clear that if you want to boost your sales, you need to appear on the page 1. And PPC should be the first choice to show your product on page 1. What should be the goal of doing Amazon PPC campaigns? I can say increase your product visibility, improve your CTR and CVR, rank your product organically on page 1, and finally boost your sales. Okay, let me explain this one by one. So listen, if you want to sell your product, you need to be appeared in front of the customers more and more. And I already mentioned the importance of being appeared on page 1. And as you can see that there are always have a fixed placement to show your product in front of the customers by doing PPC. So it's clear that if you do PPC, there is a high chance of showing your product on top of the page. Also, it's common that the more you show your product in front of the customers, the more you will get clicks and ultimately the more you will get conversion. So in a sentence, I can say that doing PPC can help you boost your sales more easily. Well, now I hope you have better idea on what is Amazon PPC, how it works, and what's the importance of doing Amazon PPC. In my next episode, I will discuss how to start PPC for a product by doing keyword research and how to create campaigns in an organized way. So stay connected with us for the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.